在我跟嘎嘎蛋在 walking tour 6 a.m. 啊，现在。哦，很空吗 ？If not, this roundabout always full of people. Now we're going to cross the roundabout. So we saw this very cool gladiator standing out here after crossing the roundabout, so we decided to check it out. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I hope that you're doing great today. 哇，这个吧，很多这种哦。为什么？哦。It is early in the morning, just before the city awakens. At this point of time, everyone's still sleeping and maybe some have just begun their work. Do you like early walks like this? This is the Lodge 5 Hotel. Quite a convenient place to stay as it is near the town. Wow, 大这里很早哦，精神哦，你看，一直在看要去哪里聊哇，开始。
这里跑
在这。哦，猫啊！像上次我们在北宁这哇没有人哦，整个路比较少。像北宁叫我们去跑。Continuing my walk, I pass by the Chinese Chamber of Commerce, Sabah. The building stands as a symbol of the city's rich history and the strong presence of the Chinese community. 我按
还要喝酒啊？
不懂啊。那马路哦，不要在这。Popular Express Travel Center 好，看一下。6:18 a.m. Oh, okay. got cat sound, no? They're mating, I think. Huh? We are walking on our way back. Chào sinh không? Oh, wow, 这很大。The 999 bar is big. We are going on our way to hunt for this mural. In front of us, on the right, is the plaza shell. At this point of time, the sun is about to rise. It's the road to the opposite side to find this mural. Let's find the wall art here. Wow, so big this wall art. Kakatan with the wall art. Wow, the wall art 很大哦。See this wall art so big. 这是什么路啊？ Let me see what's this road called. Oh, 叫 that abandoned 掉啊。Now we are on Jalan Masjid Lama. Hả? You, 等下在那个。嗯？不懂。那边有那个 backpacker 好像。Tojo Hotel. This mural art is located on the Tojo Hostel. This mural art is inspired by Borneo's mythology, based on animals, oceans, and plants. One thing amazing about this particular mural is it is huge. I think at least a few couple of stories high. Oh. you very much for watching. This is the end of the tour. Till the next video.